Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 78 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is minimum recolors to get k consecutive black blocks. Here we have given a zero index string blocks of length n where blocks of I is either W or B representing the color of the ith block. The characters W and B denote the color white and black respectively. Here also they have given an integer k which is the desired number of consecutive black blocks, and in one operation we can recolor a white block such that it becomes a black block. And in the last we have to return the minimum number of operations needed such that there is at least one occurrence of k consecutive black blocks. So now let's get into the examples to understand it more better. As we can see in the example 1, we have given a blocks with W and B and the value of k is 7. And in the output you can see we have given 3. That means we can get 7 consecutive black colors by just recoloring 3 white colors. So that means it is minimum number of white colors. Same in example 2 as well. Here we have given blocks with W and B and the value of k is 2, and in the output they have given 0. That means in blocks we have 2 consecutive blacks. So now let's understand how I approach this problem. So to solve this problem we can take block of size k and going to count the white colors within that block, and currently we can take it as a current answer. And after that we are going to move forward in our array, and if we got any white color, so we are going to increment our white count. And as we are moving forward, so we are going to see the leftmost character, or I can say the first character of our block. If it is black, so we are going to do nothing, but if it is white, then we are going to decrement our white count because it is not within our size of k. So in the last we are going to return the minimum white count. And that's what I have done in my code as well. We can take the example 1 to understand it more better. So in the starting I am taking the block of 7 and going to count the white color. So we can see we have 3 white colors here. That means the white count will be 3. And in our answer we are going to put that white count. So currently my answer and white count both are 3. Thereafter we are going to run a loop from k to length of my block. That means we are starting our loop from 7 because we have already counted the white color before 7. So now inside the loop, first thing we are doing is to find out the first character, or I can say the leftmost character of my block. If it is white, then we are going to decrement our white count, and if it is black, then we are going to move forward. So as we can see in the first run, our leftmost character is white, so we are going to decrement our white count, and now my white count will be 2. Thereafter we are going to find out if my current index is white color or not. And as we can see at block of 7 we are getting W, so that means we are going to increment our W count, which will now become 3. Thereafter in our answer we are getting minimum of answer and W count, and currently both are 3, so we are not going to change our answer. In the second run we are going to see our leftmost character is B, so we are going to move forward and going to see at block of 8 we are getting B. So that means here also we are going to move forward and our answer will remain unchanged. In the next run our leftmost character again is B, so we are going to move forward, and now at block of 9 we can see we have W, so we are going to increment W count, which will become 4 now, and our answer will remain unchanged here because 3 is less than 4. So now we have already traversed the whole array, and we are going to come out from this loop and return the value of answer, which is 3. So that's how I am solving this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.